Kerala style simple fish fry recipe. It's a delicious recipe from Kerala. We just need only 10 minutes to make this yummy recipe. Let's move to the video. For the grinded mixture, in a grinder jar, take 6 shallots, 4 garlics, 1 inch size ginger cut into small pieces. We can also add the masalas. Add 1.5 tablespoon Kasmiri Red Chilli Powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon fennel powder, a pinch of Asafoetida Powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Add 1/4 cup of water and grind it nicely into a paste form. Now in a plate, take 450 grams of cleaned fish, coat them well with the grinded mixture. Keep them marinated at least 30 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
If you have enough time and keeping it for more than 30 minutes, it gives more taste. But if you are keeping it more than 30 minutes, keep them refrigerated. Marinating for 2 hours will give best result. After 30 minutes, we can take the marinated fish for frying. In a pan, take 4 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add the marinated fish for frying. Fry it until it turns to light golden brown color on medium flame. It takes around 4 minutes to get it done. After 4 minutes, flip the sides and fry another 4 minutes on medium flame. Now, our Kerala style simple fish fry recipe is ready. It's a delicious recipe from Kerala. You just need only 10 minutes to make this yummy recipe.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.